Good morning, everyone. Today's date is Wednesday, May 13th, just coming up at 11 o'clock in the morning. This is Chief Analyst Ryan Fox giving you today's daily market update. Let's get right to the announcements here. Looking at Forex Factory, we can see a lot of announcements already happening. Today, we see starting at the top, early this morning, we had current account for the Japanese yen. Actual came out at 2.07 trillion over forecast of 1.34 trillion. That's really giving strength to the yen, and we saw a number of other announcements that were positive for the yen, including economy watcher sentiment report, and also nope, that's just it for the yen. We also see for the Chinese yuan, we had some disappointing numbers, unfortunately, for fixed investment year total to year, and retail sales as well, under forecasted 10%, 12%, respectively, for 13.6% and 10.4%. And as well as industrial production year on year underneath 5.9 to 6.1%. We also see some preliminary GDP numbers quarterly for the euro happening early in the morning around 7 o'clock. For German preliminary GDP, we see 0.3% under forecasted 0.5%. That's bad news for the German economy. We see positive, though, for the French, and also final CPI month-on-month positive at 0%. We also see WPI month-on-month 0.4% as forecasted. French CPI underneath 0.2%. French preliminary non-farm payrolls also negative 0.1%. That's not a positive response there. Italian preliminary GDP quarterly actually positive 0.3%. We also have other announcements for the pound. Average earnings index 3 month on per year, 1.9% higher than forecast of 1.7%. So that's going to be good for the pound. However, we did see claimant count change from negative 12,000.6 as well, underneath forecasted negative 20,000.5. So that's going to affect that. And for the claimant change, that's the number of people claiming unemployment. So in Britain. So we also have the unemployment rate still at 5.5%, so it's still pretty good. Euro flash GDP quarterly 0.4% underneath 0.5, and industrial production negative 0.3% under 0.1%. Later on, we still have for the pound. Governor Carney has a speech that's happening now talking about the Bank of England inflation, and followed by core retail sales monthly and retail sales import prices and crude oil inventories for all U.S. dollar related assets. And then late in the evening, we have the New Zealand retail sales quarterly forecasted at 1.6% and quarterly sales at 1.5%. If we take a look at quote lists, we can see a number of different assets moving around today. If we highlight the percentage change here, we can get a better perspective. So you can see that there are a lot of different figures that we can include, but we're looking at the total percentage change for today. WTI crude position at 1.10%, heading upstairs, followed by pound, franc, silver, euro, Australian dollar, Aussie dollar, and even gold at 1.4%. Unfortunately for today's biggest drops, we see dollar again heading down negative 0.4%. Followed by euro, New Zealand dollar, pound, dollar, Chinese yuan, Aussie yen, franc yen, and the New Zealand's as well. So it looks like New Zealand dollar very strong, as well as yen, and comparative to the dollar and the euro weaker. So minor currencies seem to be very strong today, and you can take those down as well. Taking a look at the charts, we could see a quick view on some of the assets here. Euro dollar looks like on a 5-minute chart heading down towards 1.12%. The ratio. Pound dollar down to 1.56. Gold down to 11.93. Dow Jones also down, ending yesterday at 18,680. We also see WTI crude position heading upstairs, $61.36 per barrel. Silver at 16.67, and the DAX at 11,552. FTSE 6,979, and dollar yen heading down to 11.19, 11.9.78. So that's today's daily market update. Look out for more announcements related to today's announcements and also, for potential volatile movements on those assets. So make sure you take your trades quickly and do your analysis carefully. Good luck in the trades and have a great day.